Hello scholars, welcome to this video lesson. In this lesson, we'll be answering past questions on the topic synonyms. Before we start answering past questions, let us do a quick recap on what synonyms are and some tips for answering synonym questions when writing JAMB exams. Let's get started, scholars. Synonyms are words that have similar or identical meanings. When answering questions on synonyms in JAMB exams, there are a few things to take into consideration. They are called tips. These tips are guidelines to help you get the right answers when attempting synonym-based questions. First of all, read the context. Pay close attention to the context in which the word is used. The surrounding words and sentences can provide important clues to the word's meaning and help you identify synonyms. If the word is pensive and the sentence is, after receiving the bad news, she became pensive, you can infer that thoughtful is a synonym because it fits the context of someone deep in thought. Secondly, use the process of elimination. If you're not entirely sure of the synonym, start by eliminating answer choices that are clearly not synonymous with the given word. This can help narrow down your options. If the word is happy and the answer choices are sad, angry, joyful, and confused, you can eliminate sad, angry, and confused as they are not synonymous with happy, leaving joyful as the correct choice. Also, consider word relationships. Synonyms often have similar relationships with other words. For example, happy is a synonym for joyful. Understanding these relationships can help you identify synonyms more easily. If the word is teacher, and the options include instructor, student, mentor, and chef, you can recognize instructor and mentor as synonyms because they both describe someone who imparts knowledge or guidance. Don't forget to think about word families. Words that belong to the same word family or share a common root are more likely to be synonyms. For example, happy and happiness are related. If the word is success, you might consider that successful and success are related words and are therefore synonyms. Furthermore, use prefixes and suffixes. Pay attention to prefixes, e.g., on, for negation, and suffixes, full, for full of, as they can give you clues about word meanings and relationships. For the word unhappy, the prefix on indicates a negation, so sad is the synonym. Beware of tricky choices also. Be cautious of answer choices that look like synonyms but have subtle differences in meaning. Read each option carefully and consider their nuances. In addition, use common synonym patterns. Some words have commonly associated synonyms. For instance, big and large are often synonyms. Familiarize yourself with these patterns to recognize synonyms more easily. Also, regular practice is important. Improve your vocabulary and synonym recognition by practicing with simple questions and reading extensively. The more words you encounter, the better you will become at identifying synonyms. Most importantly, manage your time. Time management is crucial in any exam. Don't spend too much time on a single synonym question. Make an intelligent guess, if necessary, and move on to ensure you have time for all questions. Finally, review your answers. If time allows, review your answers before submitting your test. Double-check your choices for synonym questions to avoid careless mistakes. Remember that synonym questions assess your vocabulary and your ability to understand word meanings in context. That is it for this video, scholars. We'll tackle JAMB questions on synonyms in the next video. Click on it right away.